Here's the Honda, and it's super fucking oily. So we're gonna change gasket. Yeah, look at that. See your finger?
Tink, dear Tink.
There's Kobi, my assistant, and awesome guy. And here's a nice big dent and some. I don't know what that is. Is that a firewall? Is that a part of a bracket? Is that important? I hope not. Looks like that piece has been cut. Yeah. So yeah, that's what you get when you buy a cash car. But you can see the coilover adjustments over there.
Pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.
And over there. They actually look kind of nice. Maybe we can figure out what they are by that. I guess we'll take off the wheels eventually, right? Yeah. But first off, this shit's nasty. So we're gonna fix it. Hopefully. And it's got a fucking AEM intake. That's nice. Maybe we'll take that out and polish it if I'm not like too lazy after this and be like, fuck this, I don't want to touch nothing. Alright, let's get started. I'm gonna pull that guy off, yeah. Yeah, it looks like it needs a little finagling. Ooh, look at it. Dang, that is so gnarly. Alright, that's actually what I expected. So it's not that crazy. It's so bad. So the car has over 200,000 miles. And this is why we're doing this. Because it's a fun car and these engines are cool. So, yeah. Awesome. There's that guy. And then around the side, there's a couple brackets. There's Kobi. Bye-bye coil packs. Not bye, it's just gonna be I'll see you later. We got the valve cover off, and this actually doesn't look bad. These guys look like they're in good shape. But one of these dudes, this one specifically here, oh look, I didn't even see this. You see how this is stuck here? Mm-hmm. This is the one that was leaking, this is the one that was leaking oil. So, interesting. Yeah, so that guy had failed and is leaking oil, and we can actually see it on the coil stock. See, it's got the oil in there. It doesn't look like it was getting in the boot, so I think the boot's doing its job. I don't know, probably, right? So yeah, now we're gonna clean up all these little baby edges, and then we're gonna clean up the valve cover. We're gonna get all that put in there. It looks like there's gunky buildup in here. So maybe after we put this back on, we could throw some seafoam in it, get all that shit out. The fuck out. Get it the fuck out.
Get the hell out of my life.
That should be Seafoam's. That should be their, what do you call it? Their moniker. Get it the fuck out of your car. Cool. So we'll start by cleaning all this shit off. And get all that gunk out. So bam, here's this motherfucker all cleaned off. Kobe did all the work. I love the Wiener Schnitzel shirt. I just thought about that. When was the last time we had Wiener Schnitzel? It's been a really long time. We should go driving later to see if they have one here in Austin. But yeah, this thing was super caked in oil. It was basically like that all the way around. I think did we show what this looked like beforehand?
I don't know if you showed it, but I know you recorded it.
It was nasty. It was really nasty. And then on the inside, kind of cleaned it up a little bit too. But like I said, we're going to put seafoam in it. Got those new seals in. Now it just needs the rest of these seals.
Is it good in trash?
For the top, yeah, that's good to go in the trash. You can see where we taped these guys down so we know where all those screws go. And then we have our little diagram over here for this stuff. So we're going to start putting it back on. We've got the RTV silicone. And then a huge mess. And yeah. So yeah, that'll be fun. Awesome. kind of one more quick video while this is done. So how do you feel about today? Pretty fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did pretty good. Look how much cleaner that looks. Oh, it looks so much nicer. It doesn't look like it's gross. That looks very gross. That's not so gross. That's really gross. That's not so much. Let's see. So we got the hose back on. We got that little bracket back on. Okay. We got a spark plug or the coil pack cover back on. Unknown bolt. Don't know what to say about unknown bolt. There was no bolt.
Yeah.
So we're fine.
We didn't lose it.
We didn't lose it. All right, and then we've got the plate that we need to go back in right there with the crazy bent piece of metal. That I don't know how the fuck that happened, but that was someone else's problem. I guess now it's mine. And then we've got this little guy to click back in. We're gonna need to buy some OEM parts to fix all this stuff, because see how fucked up that is, and everything just wants to come apart. But it's obvious, like this has all been taken apart by someone else, right? All right. Well, I guess as I finished up,